this one.
Why?
Look at
Yeah, because
Tiny.
it's tiny.
Look,
There's a room there.
Well, if you try tying that sail up then, Tommy. Belt it.
they should let them all see it.
Still feeling a bit sick.
Dad, there's a bit of water in the villages.
I don't worry about it.
Let's set the thingy.
When did you say it's the storm's coming? About 8 o'clock tonight? 'Cause it's picked up a bit now, isn't it? Is it going to be bad weather for the next few days then?
Oh, here we go.
Bad weather?
South. North, south. Yes. I want to look at your GPS.
You like it? Do you think it? Apple?
Fish on! Let's see what I've got. Oh my god, this is putting up a fight. What is it? Oh, that seagull's after my fish. Hey, look at that. What's that? Is it mackerel? That seagull's after my fish. Get it, Mum, get it. Oh my god. Get off my fish. Oh, it's only tiny. Oh, what is it?
Oh, it's a weaver fish.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, leave it.
Oh.
You'll get weaver fish.
What's that?
How's it going, Ad? Go on, spring it in. I'll take it off.
It's a gurnard.
Don't keep me stiffed it up now.
Are those little fish? Is that
Right then.
fish? Those fish that land in, isn't it?
Look. Video. Say bye, Ian. Thrown up 3 times and caught 4 fish.